full moon. Don't really need the light. Oi, dobro ranku. Hey, it's flipping cold here. Oi. But it's sunny. I think it's minus 15 or something. I don't really feel my face anymore. My winter jacket is zipper filled. So now I'm a Michelin man. Wearing 3 layers, 4, 5. Whoa. I can't say I'm very warm, but we'll keep moving. So they attacked hydroelectric station, buses, so many buses. It's the maternity hospital, you know, because well, terrorists attack babies and mothers. I do that all the time. You want to go here, down here, Lana? 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 Hey. Jesus. I think it's minus 15. It feels like it. It's a cold wind. We had some air alarms, some molnias, but I slept pretty good. Boy, in the house it's nice and warm. But still many people in Kiev and other places that have no heat, which is like it's so cold. Can't imagine. Hi, Lana. Okay. Lanusha. Lana. She always wants to go where I can't go. I mean, it's pretty steep. Lana. Hey, jump. She has a new thing. It's she likes to eat snow. I guess she's raised for this weather. The only thing that kind of bothers her sometimes is between her toes. There's a hair, and there you go, eating snow. I give you water too, right? Don't give the people the idea that I don't give you water. Yeah, she really loves this weather. We give her a lot of expensive food, so now her coat is getting better as well. Oh, Jesus Christ, it's cold. Oh. I think my phone is also not loving this cold. My screen is giving all kinds of weird colors. So yeah, dog Russia, huh? Bunch of terrorists hitting buses. And also they go more and more for trains, which is yeah, it's our mode of transport. It's cheap. It'll get you somewhere. If I have to go to Kiev, I take the train, the night train, because the day train don't run anymore. And the night train takes 13 hours to go like 560 kilometers. And well, I cannot sleep on the train, but that's my problem. Yeah, now I guess you have to wonder, maybe I take the car. Because yeah, it could be hit, no? Yeah. Well, I have nothing to complain here. I mean, other people in Ukraine have it so much harder. I think we're gonna run a little bit so I can get warm. Then we're gonna go home. I have these gloves, but they're, I thought they were more handy, but they're not as warm. This is when you find out, huh? Lana, we're not gonna go down. Lana, stoi. We need to brake. Eating snow again, huh? It was a long one again. Have a good day. Donate to Ukrainian charities. Buy some drones from Stanenko. Oh yeah, it's cold. Okay, see you later. Have a nice day.